Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell business insurance. First, identify your target businesses and thoroughly research their specific needs. Understanding their industry, potential risks, and unique assets is crucial. This initial step helps you tailor solutions that truly protect their operations. Focus on gathering comprehensive information to build a strong foundation for your sales approach. This ensures you can offer relevant and valuable coverage options. Next, focus on building strong relationships with your clients. Active listening is key to understanding their concerns and priorities. Use this insight to tailor insurance packages that precisely fit their business. Present clear, concise policy options, highlighting the benefits and how they address specific risks. Your goal is to offer solutions, not just products, ensuring they feel understood and well protected. When presenting, clearly explain all policy terms, coverage limits, and premiums. Be prepared to address any client questions or concerns thoroughly and patiently. Guide them smoothly through the application and binding process, making it as straightforward as possible. Your expertise and confidence during this stage are vital for securing the sale. Ensure they feel comfortable and informed every step of the way. Finally, excellent post-sale service is crucial for long-term success. Provide ongoing support, conduct regular policy reviews, and stay informed about any changes in your client's business operations. This proactive approach builds loyalty and trust. Always seek referrals from satisfied clients to expand your network and grow your business. Nurturing these relationships ensures continued success and client retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.